Your college education should go beyond classroom learning. At the University of Dayton, we learn by doing, with lots of opportunities to put what we're studying into practice.
There's so many opportunities here at UD to get hands-on learning. It's really encouraged here, and it gives you opportunities that you wouldn't find at other schools.
Our experiential learning opportunities complement and add value to traditional classroom learning. Students are encouraged to explore the vocation early in their college journeys, and many participate in 3 to 4 different transformative experiences by the time they graduate.
My freshman year, I took an engineering innovations class, and now I'm currently taking my senior capstone, and both of those are client-oriented. So a client gives you a problem, and you have to work with a budget, materials, your group, and come up with a solution.
As far as my major, environmental biology, we go outside for more than half of my classes. Right now we're working on a solar prairie project for one of my labs, and we're going to provide real data for the city of Dayton. So I'm able to not only learn things in the lab, but also give back to the city of Dayton.
In addition to project-based learning in classes, we have centers and institutes like the Hanley Sustainability Institute and the Fitz Center for Leadership and Community, where you can apply what you're learning and develop skills that set you apart while making a positive impact on the world.
I had the opportunity to work with the Secret Service as an intern, and when I first entered the internship, I had the opportunity to go on a search warrant, and that's what we were learning in class at the time. I was able to use my knowledge and speak on it, which helped me retain that information way better than I would have just learning it in the classroom.
I actually traveled abroad to Guatemala through Ethos, and I was able to apply everything I've learned in my circus classes to our immersion in Ethos. I really like being able to help people and make the world a better place. That's what I want to use my degree for. So the fact that I'm able to do that here at UD is very cool to me.
Our faculty and other student support resources like Career Services and the Office of Experiential Learning help students find our vocation by encouraging us to explore our interests and reflect on lessons learned. It's about growing from our experiences and connecting them with skills we'll need in our future careers.
The faculty and staff here are always there to talk to you through things, to get you to the right people.
And I feel like the connections that we have with teachers here are what makes UD a special place.
At UD, learning has no limits. Here you will be supported, and you'll have lots of opportunities to apply what you're learning in the classroom to solve real-world challenges. And you'll develop skills that empower you to achieve professional success while making a difference for the common good.